Fred raises his hand, directed by Eliza Cortez. Today, Fred is going to learn how to raise his hand because shouting out is distracting to the student and the teacher. Fred loves to talk at school. Here he's talking to his favorite classmate. When the teacher, Ms. Happy, asks questions, Fred loves to answer, but he calls out. Other students do not get a chance to answer when Fred calls out. The teacher, Ms. Happy, pulls Fred aside and talks to him about calling out in class. Ms. Happy tells Fred that whenever he wants to answer a question, he needs to raise his hand, and she shows him how to raise his hand. Ms. Happy gives Fred a high five every time he raises his hand. Ms. Happy does not pay attention to Fred when he calls out. Eventually, Fred always remembers to raise his hand before he speaks in class.